Welcome to our video on effective study hacks for middle schoolers. First up, the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes and focus solely on studying. Then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times and reward yourself with a longer break. Next, try active recall. Test yourself by recalling information without looking at your notes. It helps reinforce your memory and identify areas that need more attention. Create a study schedule and stick to it. Break your study sessions into manageable chunks and allocate time for each subject. Consistency is key. Find a study method that works for you. Whether it's summarizing notes, creating flashcards, or teaching the material to someone else, experiment and discover what helps you learn best. Stay organized and declutter your study space. A clean and tidy environment can help improve focus and productivity. Take breaks and recharge. Allow yourself short breaks during long study sessions to relax, stretch, and recharge your brain. Lastly, don't forget to get a good night's sleep. A well-rested mind is more alert and better equipped to retain information.